of it. Like 100% in this planet can guess like which gender is this? Which gender is this? This gender is wrong for this. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is no. I'm telling you, this is wrong. I'm not saying she's wrong. Mind you, I'm not saying that which gender is this, but she's wrong for this. She is very, very wrong for this. This is wrong. She go fuck around and drive this man into an early grave. Cause you guys, this time around, it's not even about gender. I don't care about gender. I really don't care about gender. This has to do with driving a polo. Like whoever wrote this like reply, like I can assure you, he or she is driving a polo. I don't care if it's a she or a he. Whoever wrote this is a polo. Cause you know polo drivers. It doesn't matter if like they're female or male. Okay, let me shine a light on this. Polo drivers have the ability to come in a relationship. Umuntu wakho umtreat so queen. Fika polo driver, amhlepula amphethe isidwebe. Bese suke yamshiya kanjalo. Lesi siphukuphuku sakho vesikhala simlandele kanje ngemuva sekushiye ubamba iplate ne-crown yaso kanje. Oh, yeah. Hey, you know what? I know I have a lot of friends about driving my pole. I'm not throwing shots, but okay.